Alright, so here's a quick review on this rear view dash cam video. This has been working really great so far. Now previously I had a similar product which I wanted to swap out with this one, as this one actually fits my 2012 Highlander perfectly. I could still take the mirror down and I'm not having any issues, and also the recording has been fine. One thing I haven't hooked up is the actual rear view mirror, but other than that I can stop it and then go through the menus. Everything is really easy to use. You got all sorts of settings, but the sensor itself is very touch sensitive. I don't use the photograph mode, but I can if I wanted to. And of course I just hit the recorder and start recording. So the camera is located back here or in the front, and of course you can adjust the angle. So if I move it, it'll go sideways, depending on where you have this mounted. I do have the mount as far as the OEM mount as high as possible so that I have more vision. So with that said, it's been working great, so definitely check it out.